Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Supercenters here in Junction City, Oregon. January 2019, a brisk day, but we're getting it done. Today I want to highlight one of our many fantastic vans that we have in stock. This is a 2018 Coachmen Galleria 24Q, Q for quad, 4 seats. I have 3 seats and I have 2 seats. This one's a 4-seater. This one's an 18 model. You can make a great buy on an 18 model. Also because the 19 chassis are coming out, and the 19 chassis are 10 grand more than the 18 chassis, let alone a 19 model. You can make a great buy on one of these. What's a great buy? Give me a call and we'll talk about that. Let's go in. So you got a battery disconnect switch right here. Solar panel. This is your Truma. Turn your system on and off. I just turned it off. Let's flip back here. So we've got seating for 3 back here. You've got a little hang down for clothes, for hangers. See this little hole right here? That little hole makes it so I can put my CPAP up here, and I can run my air hose down here, the power cord, and plug it in right here. Easy peasy. And if you've got a water, you can leave it up there, take it out. It's easy to fill, easy to maintain. You'll get a good, safe, restful sleep. You got monitor panel controls here in the back, as well as in the front, so you don't have to get up. You can run most of it from back here. Charging for your phones here in the back. 12-volt outlet. Got a nice flat screen TV back here. Little storage compartment down underneath. You got more charging stations over here. I think that's all the plug-ins. So this does make down into a twin, or you can make it into a queen-size bed. They got little tables that fit in here, and then these 2 cushions slide in. This material here is an outside commercial grade. It's very durable, very easy to clean. The floor underneath of it has a hush mat, and a hush mat is for sound deadening, plus it's got insulation. So this is a very quiet ride when you go down the road. They have more insulation in the ceiling. We have hardwood on all your cabinetry. You've got a little pull-out storage area here. And got a nice big, here's one of your tabletop. Big storage area here in the back. And then, whoops, we'll go down here. Everybody goes, gosh, Gary, where do you put everything? Of course, this is your control center. I already showed you that. But look at all that storage. They're all self-closing. Garbage can, maybe 2. Great insulation inside in the walls. Convection microwave. Lights down underneath so you can see. Very nice. Solid surface countertop, compressor refrigerator, no propane, 12 volts, 110, very efficient, doesn't have to be perfectly level. And let's go right up to the 9-inch flare screen up front. Look at that bad boy. You can see it really nice. You can even leave the camera on while you go down the road. Not just when you back up. It's got a lot of different controls. Smarter than I am. I have to have my grandsons come over to show me how to run it, or John from the factory. One of the two. High grade seats. Nice leather seating. Again, the Mercedes seats go up and down for adjustment. Steering wheel telescopes and tilts. Power windows, locks. These are getting 20 to 22 miles per gallon. When we had our rental company, We've got another source coming up. If you're interested in rental beforehand, let me know. I can help you on that too. Monitor panels right down here in addition to the one in the back. We'll go around the outside. I'll turn the system off. Disconnects everything. Battery is safe. Full 12-foot awning. It is electric, and it does have a wind sensor. So if the wind comes up and moves your awning this much, it automatically retracts all the way in all by itself. So this is your screen, bug screen. If you want to leave the doors open on a nice day, keep an eye on what's going outside and keep the bugs out, we could do that. There's a tabletop underneath, your power cord. A lot of the removable throw rugs are back in here until the owner takes possession. And you can see all the seat belts in here, all three in the back. This needs an adjustment so it won't keep coming down. But you see the same material used throughout the van. Very durable, very easy to clean, long lasting. Upgraded wheels, power cord hookup, your Truma exhaust and heat, exhaust here for your generator, macerator system, outdoor shower hot and cold, and behind the driver's door is the door to fill the fuel. That way nobody tampers with it or takes it away. Seats go up and down. Tilts back here on this knob. This knob up here raises and lowers this one, and this one raises the entire seat. So anybody can get comfortable with one of these. Questions? Sure, you've got questions. I expect that, and I expect you to ask for the van guy, or just call me direct, 541-554-9581. My email's on the screen. Hope you're having a great day, and I appreciate you.